a WordPress file into a domain. Our domain is here, and as we scroll down on our cPanel we can see a variety of different options. Now these are different options that you could load into that domain, like Joomla, a shop called PrestaShop. In this instance I'm going to click on there and add the WordPress setup into the system, and I'm going to install a domain, very basic setup there. Take note, you want to remove WP. We are going to be loading into this domain, and we'll select that particular installation, and this will install the WordPress files into the domain, and the intention will be to show you a website loaded up at the end of this film. So here we have the film domain. It should now be ready, so I'm temporarily going to click there, and I'm hoping to see a website theme built in, which is the intention. Now if I want to go one stage further, I can simply by going there, which will take me into the login option. I then put our password in as such, which was in this instance a temporary one. Do not follow my example. And I'm going to log in. And hopefully get it right this time. And that is the password that takes us directly into the back of the website. So the next video will show you what you can do with the website.